Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Tech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Today I am going to share a special and exclusive thing for you. What's that? Today night, just observe the sky. Anything special you can see from the Yes, meteoroids. A meteor shower you can see today night. What is meteoroids and how it forms? We can discuss those things in this video. Meteoroids are the celestial objects came from the comets. Comets came from the Kuiper belt. Kuiper belt is a region of dust and big rocks of this universe. The size of a meteoroid is almost 1 meter length. Meteoroid will reach our Earth very rarely because our Earth have an atmosphere. When the meteoroid came to our Earth's atmosphere, it will burn up and it became a dust particle. Observe the sky today. You can see the wonder of our universe. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, just share it to your friends.